Welcome to the Northern Virginia MarketWatch, brought to you by Real Estate Business Intelligence and MRIS Company. Let's take a look at the most recent activity in the Northern Virginia housing market, which includes these areas. Job growth nationally continues to be modest but steady, with 195,000 jobs added between May and June. Over the last 12 months, the U.S. gained 2.3 million new jobs, with strong job growth in professional services, education and health services, and leisure and hospitality. Federal government employment continued to decline. However, the U.S. unemployment rate remains at 7.6%. Unemployment claims have continued to fall, now at levels that are typical during non-recessionary periods. Housing sales and prices are up nationwide, and while inventory is still low, it has seen growth in recent months. Increasing inventories coupled with rising interest rates and the level of investment sales may result in more potential homeowners entering the market to secure still low mortgage rates and take advantage of greater selection offered by the increased inventory. The region added about 14,000 jobs compared to 12 months ago. The unemployment rate in Northern Virginia increased to 4.3% from 3.8% last month as more residents entered or re-entered the workforce than were hired, a trend frequently seen during summer months. Housing market performance picked up again in June. Sales were up 15% from a year ago, and we saw the highest sales total for any month since June 2006. Likewise, new pending contracts were 12% higher than this time last year, the highest June total since 2005. The 6,250 active listings at the end of June represented a 10.7% decline from last year. The total inventory of homes for sale is now 72% lower than its June 2006 peak. Despite this steady decline, new listings are on the rise for the third consecutive month. There were almost 4,500 new listings in June, up 10% from this time last year. At $443,000, the median sales price is 8% higher than this time last year. This is the highest median sales price the region has seen since August 2007. The median days on market is now 8 days, 9 days lower than this time last year, and the lowest level seen in 8 years. Summer is off to a strong start in Northern Virginia. Sales and new contracts are up compared to last year, and prices continue to rise. The inventory shortage is beginning to show signs of improvement as more sellers enter the market, possibly driven by higher prices. As summer continues, it's likely the pace of sales will slow in line with seasonal market patterns, possibly tempered by rising interest rates. That's the Northern Virginia Market Watch for this month. Check back next month for the latest.